Now that we've unboxed the device, it's time for us to set it up. First thing I'm going to do is connect it to power. The router itself can be any make or model. This cable right here is the important part. This will be the same for everyone. If you have one of these, your network is compatible with PuriFi. Let's take the internet cable, remove it from the router, and plug it into the PuriFi device. If we did this correctly, the red arrow will disappear just like that, and the earth will light up. Next, we will use the cable that was included in the box. We're going to take this end and plug it into where the other cable was previously. Next, we'll take the other end and plug it into the PuriFi device. If we did everything correctly, we will see the router light up right here, the flow of particles, and the device will tell us that it's ready to pair. Next, we'll take our phone, open the PuriFi app, sign in, and pair the device with our account. First, press Add Device, wait for it to find it, then press Continue. Next, it will check if our internet connection is okay. Everything looks good, so now let's press Register Device. Registration is complete and the device is now linked to our account. Now the device needs a few minutes to configure itself for our network. We will first see the disco ball on the device light up. From this moment on, we are fully protected. The mobile device is now all caught up and synchronized with our device. You can pause the protection anytime with this button right here.